Hello. It is it's Monday. So we got some, and it's a new month. Sorry, I'm just anyway. It's Monday. It's the first I shouldn't have got rid of that one. I don't know why I got rid of that. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of exist. Okay. I'm just doing things and I'm not thinking about them. Alright, anyway, it's Monday. It's February 1st. So, I got a new mom item. That's cool. I like that. That's good. I'm not sure which one it's gonna be, so I'm a little curious. I know there's a wall art. Actually, you know, now that I think about it, I think the last time I got a mom item on both characters, it was the same one. Which makes me think that maybe there were only like 2 left and it just happened to sync up, and that'll get the wall art on both characters, and then the next mom's items will be variants from like the shirts that I already have, perhaps? That's how it seems to go, like once you get one of everything, then you get the other variants. That's how it seems to be with Gulliver, well, Gullivar at least. So I'm not really sure, but maybe it'll both be wall art. I kind of think that'll be the case. I think both of my characters will get wall art. So I'll wait and see if I'm right on that. Either way, it works. And if it is the case, then that's probably just the shirts and backpacks left. So I'm closer to being done with that. Anyway, not much to mention since yesterday. I got 5 stars last night, so there should be 5 fragments for me today. I should be able to get at least 1 festival item from Nooks, but there might be clothes in the Able Sisters as well. I also should be able to get the reactions. I think those are on sale now. Check the shopping app, deal with whoever's visiting today, and just, you know, do what I can. So I have a bunch of junk here. Like, a bunch of junk. Like, I don't need any of that. So those are those things. Let's just, no. Camping cot is new. Chalkboard is there. Okay, this is Mom's embroidery, which might actually be a miscellaneous item, I think. I also happen to get a flower from Tammy? Sure? Sure. Does that make any sense? No. What even is it? It's a hyacinth bag. Yeah, thanks. Definitely don't need that. Alright, let's start off by checking the beach. Flower from Tammy? Yeah, she sent me a yellow hyacinth bag in the mail. I don't know why. Don't get bent out of shape. There's nothing to The only thing worth is how long it's gonna take me to get a fly. 3 actually, but don't know on that. I've got tons of trash out. I need more trash. People give me trash. People please hook me up with some trash. Please mail me trash, thank you. I feel like Goldie was crafting yesterday when I went on. Can you leave out flies, tires, and cans too? I'm assuming that all of the trash items attract flies. I'm not sure if they should be all together or further spaced out. I'm not sure what is... I'm really not sure what the best is for making them spawn more frequently. I did this, and I tried going in and out of my house like 5 times last night, at least, maybe 5, 6, 7, and I still didn't see any. I just don't think they're very common, but I don't know. Also, Flick is here? I feel like Flick was here last week. Yes, Flick was here last week. So Flick is my random visitor this week. That's not bad. It's definitely not bad. Resident Services has got this. That's new. That's a festival related thing, I'm sure. No trash in there. Last night I actually ended the stream, and as soon as I got to the title screen, I was like, oh no, I didn't get my points, so I immediately loaded and got them. Nearly broke my streak again. Good thing I stopped. I mean, good thing I caught it, but yeah, it was very close. Very, very close. Garbage can and a pants press. I don't think I need either of those, to be honest. So that's great. The weeds on my island are way out of hand. Kind of annoying. Like, it's really annoying. It's too many. Yeah, I don't know about these flies. I know they're year-round. I don't think the snow is a problem, but I just don't think that they were very common to begin with. Okay. I still have to get 2 more fragments. Shouldn't forget about that, just in case. Alright, so garbage can, pants press. This stuff's all junk. I don't think that the garbage can is... I don't remember which one's the one that has variance. Is the garbage bin, which is what I was thinking. So the chalkboard and camping cot plus mom's embroidery. Those are the ones. Okay, so chalkboard. Club activities, I think, is the one. Yeah, there you go. Club activities, which is just a bracket, a ladder for some sort of tournament, apparently. Interesting. And the other one is the camping cot. Snow or green? Okay, green. That was easy. So I just need 1 more of these now. Not bad. The embroidery thing, I believe, will be down... Or is it? Is it one of these? Oh no, mom's embroidery is the hanging thing, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, so I'll deal with that. First, nothing there. Okay, here we go. So these are the items that were already, these were previously available, right? So you had the bean tossing kit for Setsubun, Rossetti model for Groundhog Day, and then megaphone and rug for the Super Bowl. And there are 4 variants of these. They switch out each day. And I believe these 2 things are the same. The chocolate heart and the heart-shaped bouquet, I believe, have variants. So at least they start now. So I guess I have like 2 weeks to buy them all. I don't think there's... I think 6 is how many there are. I'm not sure off the top of my head. But something like that. You can see there's all of the megaphones. That's nice. Here's all my fishing bait. That's fun. And then I have so much clay, so much iron, so much stone. So much stone. It's a lot of stone. I was looking for something here. What was I looking for? Ah, yeah, that's what it was. There was a reason. Okay, and I need to get 3 bugs. So I'm just gonna take them out of my storage in the interest of, space. So we'll just take the spiders out today. Okay, and I will customize this thing now. You have 10 pieces of trash? I mean, I'm half joking about them. I can probably just make it work. If it doesn't work within a week, I might take trash. But for now, I'm not super concerned. Now, I'm going to take a quick look at the items I need. Because in the wall-mounted section, there's literally a bunch of wreaths. Like 5 or 6... well, there's like less than 10 paintings. Then there's all of the embroidery items, and then the iron door plate. That's it for the non-purchasable. You know, those ones. Look at this bird. I kind of love the bird. And, okay, so the only other thing is Mom's candle set. That's also a thing. Mom's candle set is just chilling there. So I'm going to drop the embroidery here just in case. I don't need those. I'm gonna go find Flick real quick. It's a good rhyme. I don't think I can... Wouldn't that be hilarious? It's a tiny little snowman. There goes the spider. Great. So the spider's dealt with. I will have to switch to on my other character, obviously, for Flick and for the Mom's items, so that worked out. You have Festival tank dress and ogre costume in your store. Okay, I believe that might be what you're talking about right there in the top left corner. Yeah, okay. Well, let's see what I got here. So, nothing there. I mean, I don't think there's anything there. Nothing there. Alright, there you go. All 3 horned ogre masks. And I got the Festival tank dress. And the ogre costume. Okay, so that kind of makes sense. I was kind of expecting that. The holiday, I guess, it's either tomorrow or the day after, so it makes sense that it's like just... I think it's just available for everyone today. Kind of like with Christmas, the Santa outfit is guaranteed to be in your store the day before. Right, so... There's my first ogre costume. I kind of love it. None of this stuff is in my sheet yet. I'm just going off of what I know. But to be fair, I don't think there's a lot of clothing, actually. I mean, I've got this stuff for Setsuban, so that's one thing. And I think that's it. I think it's just those 6 things. And there might be only, like, one other thing for Festival. either way, that should be it for the ogre costume, so I just have 4 of these tank dresses to buy. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff, and there's a found a what's new in February thing. So there's stuff available at Nook's Cranny. It sounds like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and more things. All but one of the items can be purchased in advance. However, only a single type of color variant will be sold at your store. To get all the color variants, you know, there's feathers that you have to catch and then customize with. Okay, here you go. Festival clothing. It says 3 different types of clothing and accessories. Each clothing thing comes in 4 different variants, excluding rainbow. Get them all, you can get the reactions. And there's Valentine's things. So there's 4 boxes of chocolate, and there are 6 of the bouquets. And then later on we'll get the Lunar New Year stuff. And then grass will leave on the 25th. And then we get the young spring bamboo back. Festival clothes, what are they? So there's the tank dress, costume, and... Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. So there's a festival costume, there's a festival tank dress, and then there's a accessory. I don't recall seeing it, but I just want to double check. It should be an accessory. Yeah, no, it's not there. It's not headwear. Alright, great. Confirmed. So now I can move on. Okay, cool. Definitely happy about that. How could I not be? And there should be one more somewhere. There's our recipe. And there it is. Alright, let's see what we got in store today. I can get the reaction and whatever item is just chilling here. It's a parasol. Okay, so you can only buy 1 per day. Yeah, don't miss out on the reactions. Okay, let's see if there's anything important here. I don't need a light switch. This is a director's chair, right? Don't need any of those. Arcade thing, nope. Nope. Alright. So let's just go through the process of selling all my junk here. There's way too much. So I don't need this. Don't need that. Don't need either of those. So I really just need to keep the parasol in the brightness. Great. Alright, nice. Oh, okay, so they're just at the top. They're like impossible to miss, basically. I mean, it's kind of like the Turkey Day DIY set. If you were to buy it in the store, it's about the same price. Okay, I do like this confetti one. No, you don't have to worry about sending me the item. I'll get them. Like, there's one in store each day until the day, and it's the 15th, so, like, there's 2 weeks. I'm sure I will get all of them, and I can craft them anyways, so I'm not concerned. Anyway, that's the confetti one. That's the Viva one. Okay, that actually... Okay, this is actually really good potential-wise. This one's okay. I think that's my least favorite so far. I do just like the confetti one, because you're just throwing confetti around. This one is not... I don't know, I don't like that ending pose, but if you spam it, it's great. This one looks kind of creepy if you spam it, so let's not do that. Okay, that is that is some kind of dance. If I do this enough, it makes it look like I'm doing the RuneScape dance. Alright, well, that's it for the store. Oh, man, why? Alright, so that's one day. Come on. Why you got to do that? Alright, so that's basically it. There's not much else for me to focus on here. I've got all the dailies done. I just need to switch to my other character. There goes my shovel. Hooray, that's super fun. If I could get the fly, that would be nice, but... Oh no! I thought I scared him off. Don't mind me. Alright, so we got one fly. That's not too bad. I can handle that. Eventually I'll have all three. Mark one of those down. Put all this stuff away. Plus this. Storage is looking horrible. Way too close to full. I need more space. Or I need to get rid of certain things. I mean, I'm not going to use those puppy plushies. Let's be real. I already have all the dinosaur toys out, so I can get rid of some of them. I don't need all these festive tree dresses. I don't need those. Probably don't need a bunch of this stuff, to be fair, but whatever. Definitely don't need all these ski goggles. Alright, let's just go sell this stuff. Let's just get it out. Get out of there. Okay, so I will sell this, buy another shovel. And then I'll fly to Harv's and I'll switch characters. We'll see what we get in the mail, get some stuff to flick, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's like most of the new stuff already. Like, there's 2 more things from the Able Sisters I need to get, and then just check this out every day. So, whatever, it's fine. Order stuff from the shopping app too, so I can get all 4 chocolates and the 6 bouquets, which don't even make it into my catalog. That still bugs me. I wish the Nook shopping things would be in the catalog. Like, why are they not? Alright, no quacks. I'm gonna wing back the other way. I got 1 fly, so soon. Oh, alright, no mail for him. Boo, I say. That's lame. sucks. Oh well. I'll have to get that another time. Whenever the game decides to give me it, basically. What is this? Ah, I have that. Why? Man. This game is cruel. Is there any reason for me to learn that recipe? No, there's zero reason. I just did it because I can. Terrible. No reason for me to do this. Awful. Performing some sacrilegious recipe learning. And for what? Alright, I gotta find Flick. I don't know where he's gone. Alright, this guy's got another reaction. Not that it matters. But he's done. Alright, where his Flick ran off to? He normally goes to the beach, so I probably shouldn't bother checking. Okay, he's just chilling there. Great. Great. Okay, so given the mole cricket, I don't need any of this stuff. I could just go and sell it. Don't really need to though. Also, empty can. Alright, let's be smart about this. Alright, that should be enough for now, maybe for a while. So we're gonna customize it on this character so he has everything. I'm also going to mark this off because I forgot to. Totally forgot to do that. That way, if this guy gets an item when my other character doesn't, hopefully it'll be the last, like, furniture one. And then they can both start getting clothing items randomly. That would be ideal. That's it for that, though. Okay, good. Drop that now. Let's see. It's been 36 minutes. So, we got everything done. Yeah, I mean, nothing really special from the island itself. I caught one fly. Flick is the random visitor this week, so I've given 2 more models away. The old cricket and the spider. Just to clean up my storage on my main character and outside this guy's house. So, yeah, that's that. It's February, as I said at the beginning of the stream, so we'll get the festival items and the Valentine's items in the coming days. Already got the tank dress and the parasol, plus the Setsubun outfits. So that's the start of the month. It's going to be a lot of the same, just checking the stores to buy the stuff that I need to get prior to the event, and trying to catch this fly. I need 2 more. Might clean up storage. I cleaned up my storage a little bit today, sold an inventory. So we'll see what we get soon. But that's going to be it for today. I'll be back on tomorrow at some point to continue, and we'll take it from there.